Hello friends, today I am going to introduce a new wireless headphone from QCY. This is specially made for music lover and as well as sports lover. This is none other than QCY m1c headphone, and this is the best budget wireless headphone I have ever seen. This headphone is cutting through CNC, and that is why it looks precise and it's really gorgeous in style. You feel a premium feelings when you are going to use it. Optimal driver offers detailed sound, trendy and magnetic store, and this is the specialty of this headphone. It has a mic, a volume up and down key, and a power button. You have a USB type charging port for recharge it. The most special thing is it can provide 8-hour battery backup. That is awesome. You can use it as a trendy necklace. It's transformed into 3 seconds. These are all things you have in the box, and I am the real user of this headphone. I am really satisfied with the sound quality and the noise cancellation, so I hope it will satisfy you also. So without any doubt, you can just bought it and enjoy the music with QCY. Thank you guys.